Welcome back to Summarize Science. Every year, many of us look up to see the Taurid meteor shower, a beautiful display of shooting stars. But what if I told you the shower is just the dusty trail of something much bigger? This is the Taurid Resonant Swarm, a concentrated stream of debris left behind by a comet, and it might be hiding some dangerous stowaways. Scientists have long wondered if this swarm contains not just dust, but also larger asteroids, the size of the ones that caused the Tunguska or Chelyabinsk events. A recent paper re-examined data from a massive search campaign that specifically looked for these hidden objects. Using the Zwicky Transient Facility, astronomers scanned a huge patch of sky during Earth's 2022 encounter with the swarm. And what did they find? Absolutely nothing. But in science, finding nothing can be just as important as finding something. This non-detection allowed the researchers to calculate an upper limit, or a maximum possible number, of asteroids that could be lurking in the swarm. As this chart shows, they estimate there could be up to 100 Tunguska-sized objects, which are around 50 meters wide. And for Chelyabinsk-sized objects around 20 meters, there could be as many as 1,000. Now, 1,000 sounds like a lot, but space is incredibly vast. When they crunched the numbers, this translated to a very low impact frequency. The chances of a Chelyabinsk-sized object from this specific swarm hitting Earth is less than one event every 4 million years. So, while the threat isn't zero, it seems the swarm is not the imminent hazard some theories had suggested. However, there is an important caveat to these reassuring numbers. The calculations are based on the assumption that these larger asteroids follow the exact same orbital paths as the much smaller meteoroids and fireballs we can see. It's possible that larger bodies behave differently, which could change the risk assessment. Because of this, more observation and investigation are definitely needed. And we'll have a great chance to do just that very soon. Earth is set for several more close passes with the swarm over the next decade, with particularly good opportunities in 2032 and 2036. By then, we'll have incredible new tools like the Vera C, Rubin Observatory online. This table shows that the Rubin Observatory will be a staggering 28 times more efficient at this specific search than the telescope used in the 2022 campaign. So, to recap, the Taurid Resonant Swarm, a known source of meteor showers, was searched for dangerous, hidden asteroids. The search came up empty, allowing scientists to cap the potential number of city-killer-sized objects at a relatively low number. This suggests the impact risk from the swarm is much lower than feared, at less than 1 in 4 million years. But this is based on an unproven assumption, so the case isn't closed. Future searches with powerful new telescopes in the 2030s will give us the final word on what's really hiding in the Taurid swarm. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.